Hello everyone, this is Minakshi and today I am taking Maths of Class 8, lesson number 12, exercise number 12.1, question number 4. It is given in the question that evaluate 8 raised to the power minus 1 into 5 raised to the power 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 4. So the solution here it is given in the question evaluate, and evaluate means we have to find out the value for this by simplifying this expression. So here the given expression is, we will write 8 raised to the power minus 1 into 5 raised to the power 3 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 4, and this expression can be written as 8 raised to the power minus 1 into 5 raised to the power 3 into 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 4. Yes, we can write it because when we multiply 1 with 8 raised to the power minus 1 into 5 raised to the power 3, we will get 8 raised to the power minus 1 into 5 raised to the power 3 as it is. Now to simplify it, we have to apply here the laws of exponent, and here it is given a raised to the power minus 1 8 raised to the power minus 1 and 8 raised to the power minus 1, it is given means it is in the form of a raised to the power minus m, and we have a law that is a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. Always remember that if the exponent is given negative, we have to make that exponent as positive, and for that we will apply a law because laws are given to us. And here it is given 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 4. For this we can apply the law that is 1 upon a raised to the power minus m, which is equals to a raised to the power m. Okay, so these two law we will apply here. So by applying that law, we can write 8 raised to the power minus 1 as 1 upon 8 raised to the power 1 into 5 raised to the power 3, we will write as it is, into 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 4 will become 2 raised to the power plus 4 by using this second law. Now multiply it with 1, so it will become 5 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 4 divided by 8 raised to the power 1. Okay, so now observe here that bases are different and exponents are also different, so we cannot use any law here. So that's why we will simply multiply 5 with itself 3 times and 2 with itself 4 times, and 8 raised to the power 1 is given. It means we will write it as 8 only. So that is 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 8. So now multiply it, so we will get that is 5 into 5 25, 25 into 5 it is 125. So here we will write 125 into 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 16, and 4 into 2 is 8, and 8 into 2 is 16. So here we will write 16, and that is divided by 8. Okay, now 125 multiplied by 16, that equals to 2000, and 2000 is divided by 8, we will get that is equals to 250. So this is the answer for this given question. Then the second question, it is given 5 raised to the power minus 1 into 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 6 raised to the power minus 1. So here also we have to evaluate, and by evaluating this expression we have to find out the answer. So that is, we will write the question as it is, 5 raised to the power minus 1 into 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 6 raised to the power 1 minus 1. So here notice that exponent is given same for all bases, and that is minus 1, but we want the exponent as positive, we have to make it as a positive. So for that we have a law that is a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. So by applying that law, we can write it as 5 raised to the power minus 1 will become 1 upon 5 raised to the power 1 into 2 raised to the power minus 1 will become 1 upon 2 raised to the power 1 into 6 raised to the power minus 1 become 1 upon 6 raised to the power 1. So we can write it as, that is 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 6. Now here it is given multiplication, so multiply the numerator with numerator and the denominator with denominator. So that is 1 into 1 will be 1, and 5 into 2 will be 10 into 1 upon 6. Now again it is multiplication is given, then again we will multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So that is 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 10 into 6 is 60. So this is the answer for the given evaluation. Then after that the next question, that is question number 5. It is given, question number 5 it is given that find the value of m for which 5 raised to the power m divided by 5 raised to the power minus 3 equals to 5 raised to the power 5. So this is the given question, and here we have to find out the value of m, and to find out the value of m we have to simplify this equation. So what is equation is given, that we will write first, and the equation is given 5 raised to the power m divided by 5 raised to the power minus 3 equals to 5 raised to the power 5. So here we have to find out the value of m, and to find out the value of m we have to simplify this equation, and it is the equation y, because here given two sides, that is LHS and RHS. So first, to simplify it and to find out the value of m, we have to make the bases as equals, but here the base is given 5, again 5 is given with division with different exponent, and here it is given 5 raised to the power 5. So first we will simplify by using the law. So observe here the bases are equal and exponents are different. So here we can apply the law, that is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m minus n. Okay, so we will do the subtraction between the exponent here, as it is given division by using the law. So here we can write it as 5 raised to the power m minus 3 equals to 5 raised to the power 5. So here when it is given division with equal bases and different exponent, that time we have to do the subtraction between the exponent by using the law. So here subtraction we have to do it, and minus 3 is already given, that's why I have taken it in a bracket. Now here minus minus will get multiplied, and minus minus is equals to plus, so that will become 5 raised to the power m plus 3 equals to 5 raised to the power 5. Now you observe that on both the side we got bases as equal, and if the bases we got equal, then we can write the exponent, also it is m plus 3 equals to 5. Now we want value of m here, so for that we will write m as it is, and we will transfer 3 to right hand side, and plus 3 will become minus 3, that is 5 minus 3. Therefore m is equals to 5 minus 3 is 2. So here we got the value of m is